Hi guys, welcome back to another interesting and awesome videos. Today I will show you very easy and awesome trick how to defend yourself and how to save your mobile. If someone comes to you and snatch your mobile and grab you like this way, then how to defend yourself. Today we will teach you very easy, simple and powerful trick. So watch the video carefully. Let's start the video. If you are in this situation where someone suddenly attack you and snatch your mobile, so first you should wait a little and make him feel like you don't understand anything, like you are confused or scared. And when he feel relaxed and think that you can't do anything to him, then suddenly you have to hit a strong punch downward on his jab like this. Then immediately bring your other hand from the side and hit him nose. After that, take your right hand under his arm. Look it like this and place your leg behind his leg. Lock him and throw him down like this way. If you push more, his arm can be break. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the other side so you can understand better. Yes. Step 1. Hit 2. Hit 3. Underarm. Grab. Leg back. Going down. Like this. Guys, now I'll show you this technique in fast motion real situation, how it works or not. So let's start. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more useful content like this. Also, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends so more people can benefit from these techniques. Thank you.